Austin. This is my bike check. I got Animal Sway bars with the Ross grips, Eastern bar ends, United Squad forks with an Alienation rim and a Walmart tire. It's the old TRL Fit Bikeco frame with Connie Fantastic plastic pedals, a Shadow lighter sprocket, stock cranks, same rim that came with it, DK park peg, and a plastic seat that I randomly got off a bike. It's got a sealed bottom bracket, sealed back rim. The front rim's unsealed, and I grinded my axles down. Painted my chain white because I'm cheap. Drilled holes in this because I'm cheap, and my American flag because I'm awesome.